everyone, and welcome back to Liz Sews. Today I have another kit spotlight video for you, and this one is the Sun Valley kit from Bra Builders. So she actually has two versions of this knit, and this is the one that I liked the best, so that's the one I picked, and I'll pop up a picture of the other version over here, but both are similarly that sort of Sun Valley ski resort look to them. I think this is absolutely adorable, and I was really excited to get working with this. So the main fabric is, of course, Bra Builders viscose bamboo jersey, which is super soft and slinky. This feels really nice against the skin. I will say I find it a little bit more difficult to work with than lace and stuff like that, but that could just be because lace is my jam and it's what I use all the time. So I certainly have to take my time on these fabrics. They take a little bit more effort for me to get nice, and I think it's worth it though, because you get really cute results. So this is the main fabric, and then the special color that we have to go with this fabric is called Glacial. I think it's Glacier. I have to go back and check. And this is really pretty, sort of like teal color here. And so you can see that's what the hook and eye would look like, the strap elastic, the picot elastic, the 5/8 and then the 3/8 picot elastic. And then the underwire channeling I got is just white, and that's pretty much fine because of course the inside of this material is white as well. So when you put the underwire channeling on the inside, it's going to be white against white. But I think this color is really pretty, and I think it goes with this print perfectly. In terms of fabrics that come with the kit, I have them in white, or what Bra Builders calls frost, and it's their undyed color. So we have some sheer cup lining in frost, as well as medium weight power net and frost, and you can see what those look like. So one thing that's good to note, because this bamboo jersey has a decent amount of stretch in it, you can use it to cover your back band, so it looks like jersey all the way across the bra from hook and eye to hook and eye, and I'll show you that in the example bra that I've made using this kit. So it doesn't really matter so much if this matches, because of course you can always cover it up with the bamboo fabric and you'll never see it. What you're really going to see is this really nice fun print. Now, one thing to note with Bra Builders kits, you do have to select your strapping that you would like. I think the default is that it doesn't come with straps, so you have to select that you want to add extra elastic for straps. So I always do that. I like to add the 12mm or 1/2 inch strap elastic. It comes with 1.5 yards, as well as the corresponding rings and sliders that go with it. Actually, let me leave these out. We'll do a quick comparison of colors for this. So as I said, this is Glacial or Glacier. And Sue had mentioned that it was supposed to be similar to Evergreen. So I pulled out Evergreen, and this is one that I purchased last year. It was probably her winter 2019 colorway. I absolutely love Evergreen. Yeah, Evergreen. So here's Evergreen and here is Glacier. To me, these look quite different. Certainly worth having both of them, especially if you like these sort of green colorways. To me, Evergreen has a little bit more yellow to it. It's deeper, it's very pretty, and this one is more of that like January icy snow kind of feel to it. However, when I was looking through my stash, I thought it was pretty similar to Emerald. And Emerald is a color that she still has available that you can order through the special color link. So for Emerald, I would say Emerald is still darker, but it seems to me to be sort of the same color tone as Glacier. And so those I think are much closer matched to each other, though Emerald is deeper and darker and richer, and this one is a little bit lighter and brighter and airy. And the third color that I wanted to compare it to is Seafoam. I don't have any elastics in Seafoam at this time, but I do have some sheer cup lining. Now this is sheer cup lining that I purchased several years ago when Monica owned the company, and it was called Bravo Bella Bras. So the color of the Seafoam might have changed a little bit over the years, but I also think Seafoam is a pretty good match to this new Glacier color, in case you were wondering. So now that we've taken a look at the fabrics, we've taken a look at colors, let's see what I made with the kit. So I decided for this kit, I thought the skiers were so fun that I needed to make a Watson set, because to me Watson is that like effortless, chic, sort of like athletic, fun sort of bra. So I've used the Watson bra from Cloth Habit. Of course, I'll link the pattern down in the description box below. It comes with both the bra and the bottoms that I've used. So for this one, I've lined the band here in non-stretch material, so that's sheer cup lining. So this is all rigid and supportive. I've lined the cups in spacer foam. This is spacer foam that Bra Builders sells, though it does not come with the kit itself. So if you take a look on the inside, you can see here's the spacer foam. I've used that twill tape to sort of cover up my seams on the spacer foam to get a little bit cleaner of an inside of it, and then the sheer cup lining along the bottom. And then I've sandwiched my cup in between my lining and my outside fabric so that I get a little bit cleaner of the inside. You can see these because it's such a sheer cup lining, but none of these seam allowances are exposed, and I think that gives a really nice look to it. In some of my other Watsons, I have gone ahead and lined the bridge in like more of the back band material, so the Power Net. If you line it in Power Net, then you don't see any of those seams at all because the Power Net is pretty opaque. It gives you a much stretchier band, a much softer feel to the bra. Using the non-stretch, using the sheer cup lining in the band gives you a little bit more support, and it helps give you more definition from the front of the bra. So when you're stretchy all the way around, it just kind of like all stretches out, but when this is stable and the cup is stretchy, it does give you a little bit more swell to the breast than if you had not done that. So that is the Watson bra, and like I had mentioned, I covered my back band material in the jersey as well. Because it's stretchy, you can go ahead and use it for the back band and you don't have to worry about that, and you have that one cohesive look that goes all the way across to the bra. And I just love these elastic colors with it. I did supplement this as well with some fold-over elastic just for the neckline edge. These do not come in the kits, and it's something that you would need to purchase separately from the kit, but I think well worth getting because I really love having the fold-over elastic that matches all of the other elastics on there. So that is the top. And then for the bottom, as I had mentioned, this is also the Watson bikini that comes in the same pattern. So one pattern gives you both a top and a bottom. And for the Watson bikini, I have chosen to use this really, really fun elastic that she sent over. I think it kind of looks like pom-poms to me. I'm hoping that it's picking up on the camera there, but I thought it looked like the little, you know, like the pom-poms that would be on the top of your winter hat, your winter wool hat. So I thought those were really cute. So I went ahead and used them along all three edges of these bottoms. For the leg hole openings, I did a 2-pass, so I applied it to the outside and then flipped it around to the inside and sewed it down a second time so that all you see is that little pom-pom edge exposed on the edges. But then for the waistline, I wanted something that looked a little bit different, so I just applied it to the outside by itself with a zigzag stitch, and so that way it looks a little bit thicker along the waist than it does along the leg holes. And that was a specific design choice that I was going for because I like it when the waist looks a little thicker than the leg elastic, but still using the same elastic, but you know, done in 2 different ways. This is a really nice soft panty elastic. I think it would be very comfortable. I don't think you'd be likely to show too much underclothing. I mean, obviously if you're wearing, you know, skin tight yoga pants, you're going to see this, but I don't think it'd be too bad. It doesn't feel like it's going to cut in at all and give you like that stuffed in feel to it. And when you are choosing your panty kits, she gives you the option of choosing whatever elastics you want. So this is just one option. Of course, you could choose any of the elastic that she has available and get it dyed in this glacier color to match the kit. So that is the Sun Valley kit from Bra Builders. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I've given you some ideas of how you might be able to use this kit, and I will see everyone next time. Take care.